Self-editing mastery for TOEFL and IELTS success. Hello, aspiring language learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of writing well: self-editing techniques. This skill not only enhances your writing but can significantly boost your scores in exams like TOEFL and IELTS. Let's explore how to be your own best critic. Editing isn't just about finding errors. It's about refining and polishing your work, ensuring that every word serves a purpose. Clarity. Editing ensures your message is clear and easy to understand. Accuracy. Spot and correct factual, grammatical, or structural errors. Brevity. Eliminate unnecessary words or repetitive ideas. 1. Take a break. After writing, step away for a bit. This helps you approach your work with fresh eyes. 2. Read aloud. Hearing your text can highlight awkward phrasings or run-on sentences. 3. Use a checklist. Before diving in, have a list of common mistakes you know you make. 4. Edit backwards. Start from the last sentence and work your way up. This breaks the narrative flow and makes errors pop out. 5. Focus on one aspect at a time. First, check for structure. Then, grammar. Next, spelling. Tackling one issue at a time is less overwhelming. 6. Use tools wisely. While grammar checkers can be helpful, don't rely on them entirely. Trust your instincts too. 1. Run-on sentences. These can confuse readers. Look for sentences that seem too long or that have multiple ideas. 2. Vague pronouns. Ensure it's clear what or who pronouns like it, they, or this are referring to. 3. Wordiness. Avoid using 10 words when 5 will do. 4. Passive voice. While not always wrong, overusing passive voice can weaken your writing. Look for phrases like, was done by. 5. Consistency. Ensure you're consistent in your use of tenses, point of view, and format. Self-editing is like refining gold. It's all about chipping away the excess to reveal the treasure beneath. Remember, every writer, no matter how experienced, needs to edit. It's a sign of professionalism and care. So, embrace the process, and you'll find your TOEFL and IELTS essays shining bright. Best of luck, and keep writing.